Good morning, sir. I'm Cadet Blair. I will be giving a brief over a squad ambush. This brief is unclassified. The ambush will take place in the vicinity of 832440, which is where our kill box is on this map here. So, we'll begin here at the ORP, which is southwest of Hill 249. So from the ORP, we will begin our leader's recon. The leader's recon will consist of myself as the squad leader, the assistant gunner, the alpha team leader, as well as the Bravo rifleman. As we leave the ORP to begin our leader's recon, we will give a Gatwa to the Bravo team leader, who will stay at the ORP along with the rest of the squad. So moving this way to our position. On the recon, we're going to establish a release point, which will be the same as our security and observation point. And on our recon, what we're looking at is we're going to establish our support by fire element position to begin with, followed by our assault position, and then our security positions. So our security positions are roughly going to be placed around the fork in this road, as well as the bend in this road. And then our assault team will be facing onto the kill box. So will the support by fire team. So once we have these positions set on the leader's recon, we're going to move back to the S&O position, where then myself, I will go back to the ORP to retrieve the rest of the squad to bring them back to the release point and release them to their positions. Once we come back and hit the release point and everyone goes to their positions, we will then emplace the claymores along the kill box along the road. So our support by fire element is going to house our gun team. So that's going to be the assistant gunner's main job on this leader's recon, is to establish a position for the 240. The assault element will consist of alpha team, it will consist of Bravo team, and then the security elements will be alpha team. It'll be divided between alpha team. The security elements are also where we will place our AT4s. We have two of them, one at each security element. So we are going to initiate the ambush with the claymores placed along the road. If the claymore fails, then we will move to an M4 firing. So the first shot off the M4 will initiate the ambush. So once our ambush is complete, has taken place, the assault team is then going to assault through the objective to the LOA. We're going to call for aid and litter, EPW, and then once that whole process is complete, we'll begin the exfil process. So we're going to go through the red, white, and blue process. So red, the assault team is going to pick up and move back to the ORP. White, the support by fire will pick up, move to the ORP. And then finally, blue, the security elements pick up and move back to the ORP. Sir, at this time, this concludes my brief, pending any questions.